Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Understanding how summer stress affects your plants and what you can do about it is very important.
Even sun-loving plants may burn when exposed to the direct sun in temperatures over 110 degrees. Generally, heat stress of a plant will show itself by wilting or burning in the middle of the leaves.
If roots cannot supply water fast enough to replenish what transpires or is lost from the leaves, they will scorch or burn. In extended periods of heat, the roots may not be able to pump the water fast enough to keep the leaves from burning. This could happen even if the ground is wet, so you have to be very careful not to overwater the ground, or you may end up with root rot problems. If you shallow water too often and keep the surface of the soil too wet, you will not allow air to get to the roots, causing the plants even more stress.
If the plant is surrounded by rock, pull back the rock and use a 1 to 2 inch layer of bark chips or organic mulch around the plant. This organic mulch will help to cool the surface roots and hold moisture longer, so you don't have to water as often.
Heat stress of a plant can also be recognized by leaf drop, especially in some trees. For example, some varieties will drop leaves in the summer to conserve moisture and relieve heat stress. Slow, deep irrigation is recommended for established trees, even if they get water from surrounding plants. Be sure to get the water down deep enough to saturate the entire root ball. The deeper you get the water, the longer it'll stay in the soil.
In excessively hot weather, many vegetable crops have difficulties producing. Container plants may require watering every day or every other day if exposed to the full afternoon sun. Moving potted plants to a shadier location during hot months is recommended. And try to provide some partial shade, especially for younger and more heat-sensitive plants.
Check your irrigation system frequently to make sure it is working to save your plants. Star Nursery has the largest selection of sprinkler and drip irrigation supplies for any repairs or installations you may need.
For more information on this topic, get our free Star Notes, number 135, 620, and 900A and B at starnursery.com. And don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery and purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.